New energy vehicles give rise to demand for high-voltage DC relays, high single product value, rapid and sustained market growth. The value of a single vehicle is about 18 times the amount of traditional fuel vehicles, domestic products with low price and high quality. The trend of domestic substitution is taking shape. The market demand is expected to be about $640 million in 2020, with the 2017 demand of $280 million expanded by nearly 2.5 times. With the future development of new energy vehicles, market space will be further expanded. High-voltage DC relays have three major advantages. 1. High added value and broad market. The price of high-voltage DC relays is 18 times higher than the price of ordinary automotive relays. After the installation of the whole car price, about $340 for pure electric passenger cars, main relay 2 by $63, fast charging relay 2 by $63, small relay 3 by $32. 2. High technical barriers. First entrants have first mover advantage. The high-voltage DC relay industry has a large investment scale, long expansion cycle, and high technical barriers, while the stickiness of customers in the automotive industry is strong, and the first to lay out high-voltage DC relays has a significant first-mover advantage. 3. Dual advantage of technology and cost import substitution trend. Foreign brands in Omron, Tyco, Panasonic, 3 companies with high-voltage DC relay manufacturing capabilities, but the scale of construction investment weakened, product costs and technology iteration tends to weaken. China's leading companies are continuing to expand the market with quality and low prices. Domestic relays are 10 to 15% lower than foreign prices. In addition, China's high-voltage DC relays have also entered the Tesla industry chain, which will further expand domestic and international market share in the future. The rapid development of new energy vehicles will gradually become the mainstream of the development of the automotive industry. With a large market space and rapid growth, the parts industry is expected to become the first to explode in the field. In addition, first-in and domestic substitution will gradually set in China, which has nearly half of the market share of new energy vehicles. Low price and high quality and geographical advantages will drive a number of domestic leading enterprises to occupy the market. If you are interested in high-voltage DC relays or would like to buy them, please browse our high-voltage DC series. We believe you will be inspired by our products.